Hey guys, my name is Avigat, and in this video I'll be writing a basic Java program to create a menu something like this using switch statements. So let's start with the video. Okay, so I've already written the basic structure of every Java program. First I've started with import java.util.scanner, then I've written class, then public static void main, followed by scanner sc equals to new scanner, which is the line we need to gather input. So the first thing we're going to do is create an integer variable n, which is short for number. Now I will write my print statements to create the menu that will be displayed to the user. So to create the menu, first I'll write a print statement. So system.out.println, and over here in quotations I'll say menu. Now I will simply copy this and I'll give the three menu options. So the first option will be Pepsi, the second option will be thumbs up, and the third option will be Coca-Cola. Okay, so now this menu is created, I'm going to write an input statement. So to do that, I'll write system.out.println. Over here I'll say enter your choice. Okay, so over here I'll tell them to input either 1, 2 or 3. So I'll just write that in brackets 1 to 3, and now I'll store this inputted value in this variable n. So I'll say n is equal to sc.next int. Next int is a method used to gather input in the form of an integer, which is what we're getting over here. So now that this value has been stored in this n variable, we can begin writing the switch statements. So I'll start by writing the switch keyword, so switch, and here I'll name the expression, which is n. Now I'll write the curly braces, and within this I'll start writing my first case 1. So if the user inputs 1, then I will simply print Pepsi, because that is what is being shown over here. Now after this I'll just write break, and I'll copy this and repeat the same process for the next two cases. So over here case 2 will be thumbs up, and case 3 over here will be Coca-Cola. I'll just write my default statement, which is the same as a else statement. So default colon, I'll just print error. Okay, so now our code is done. I'll just compile this and let's check the output. Void main. Here it shows me the menu. So here are the three menu items: Pepsi, thumbs up, and Coca-Cola. Enter your choice between 1 and 3. For example, I input number 2. Here it shows me that it's thumbs up. Now the same would work for 1 and 3 as well, so I won't show you that. But if I enter a number that is not present within the switch cases, for example 4, then it'll show me that it's an error. Okay, so yeah, that is all for this video. If you want the code, it will be available on my website avigatgupta.com, so make sure you check it out if you want to. Other than that, if you have any questions, feel free to let me know in the comment section down below, and I'll try my best to answer them as soon as possible. And if you learned something new, please don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and see you later. Bye.